Hey, how's it going, guys? Hope you're having a good day. In this video, I'm going to unbox a Google Home unit. I know it's a little bit late to do it because it's been out for a while, but I finally decided to get one of these and decided that I'm going to make a video and show you guys what comes in the box. Now, I already have a Google Home Mini device, which is disconnected at the moment, so I thought it was time for me to upgrade because I listened to one of these speakers at a friend's place and it sounds absolutely amazing. Until I heard this one, I thought this one was pretty good, but once you have listened to the sound from the normal Google Home, you don't want to go back to that. So anyway, let's open up the box. I've already cut the seals underneath, so this top, it just slides open and it comes in this beautiful box with this little tab, and we just gotta open it up and you are presented with the Google Home unit. So I'm just gonna put this on the side for a moment and show you what else is in the box. Let's have a look. So it's got this little dock here. Let's see what's in it. It doesn't look like there's anything in it. It's just like a little stand for the, yeah, there's nothing in there, so there's just stand for the box, so we can put that aside. And underneath, let's see what else do we have here. It comes with the guide from Google, like how to connect it, how to get started. Yep, pretty standard. And then it also comes with its charger. Open up the box. Alright, so here's the charger. There's nothing else in the box. I'll put that aside for a second. Oh, just dropped the box. So let's talk about the power brick. It is huge, and it comes with the normal, like a pin connector for the charging, unlike the one for Google Home Mini, which takes a micro USB cable. So I presume this needs a lot more power to run. And yeah, I'm a bit surprised. I honestly thought it was going to have a normal micro USB charger. So I'm just gonna put the charger away for a second. Now, if you look at these two, they look very similar, don't they? But this one though, so this one's solid, one unit, but on this one, it's actually they're both fabric. So if you look at this material and this one, it's like really nice textured fabric. But on this one, you can actually pull it off and you can actually see the speaker unit. So as you can see, it's got 3 speakers firing in different directions. So it's going to give you a lot better surround sound feel. And here's the thing. And you can actually buy these from Google of different color if you want to change that to your liking. And it's magnetic. So when you pull it and you let it go, and it sort of comes in place and bam, it clicks itself. So there we go. Here's a quick unboxing video. I will make another video with comparing these two speakers and the sound of these. So I'll leave the link in the description for that video once it's done. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.